would love a steaming pot of delicious biryani, but how many of us know that it is a complex product of science, technology, engineering, arts and maths? Yup, the delicious biryani is actually more than delicious when it is prepared in a pressure cooker. But wait a minute, why do we need a pressure cooker to cook biryani? Yes, any guesses? Come, let's find out. Now this is the first steaming secret. Unlike making plain rice, where we boil water with rice, in biryani, the flavor is prepared first. The rice and the water are added later. Since it is the flavor which makes all the difference to an otherwise plain rice, we need to cook the rice with a well-captured flavor. In an open pot, the rice needs 100 degrees Celsius heat from water to get it cooked. In a pressure cooker, where the temperature is just 80 degrees Celsius, the water content takes from a form of steam and is circulated inside the container, increasing the pressure. The pressure works like a hand to compress the rice. Now, the steam from the flavor and water gets transferred to each grain of the rice and helping it to pop up in its full size in minutes. Interesting, right? Now how can the pressure inside the cooker be maintained throughout the process? Now that's your steaming secret number 2, the technology. Now how does a pressure cooker withstand so much pressure? Why doesn't it blow off? Well, let's go to the reason. Now that's because pressure cooker makes use of different kinds of circuits, display, timer control, etc. to control the whole pressure inside the cooker. In heavy boilers, sensors are attached to read the pressure and temperature, calculate the warning temperature and to regulate it. Now, does that mean that any vessel with sensors attached to it can act as a pressure cooker? No way. Now that takes us to steaming secret number 3, the engineering. For a vessel to become a pressure cooker, it has to be engineered in a different way. It should have a flat base and not a curved one. It should be made of an aluminium alloy to withstand high temperature. It should have a pressure seal that is made of rubber tubes and should have a lid, a nozzle, a weight designed to keep the pressure intact. Amazing invention, right? Now how come your biryani is prepared in minutes in a pressure cooker? Now that takes us to steaming secret number 4, the mathematics. When your biryani is made, the pressure inside the cooker is raised till 15.2 psi, which is the maximum your pressure cooker can handle. Now this pressure or even a reduced pressure of 10 psi is adequate enough to cycle up the inside of cooking and cook your steaming biryani in a very short time. Wait, we're done yet? No. We still have the 5th steaming secret of biryani, the art. From the way your biryani is garnished to the way your pressure cooker is designed to appeal mothers. Cool, right? Steam, science, technology, engineering, arts and maths is the way in which complex things can be taught in a fun way. Now your kid may not be able to make biryani now, but we will teach complex robotic machines which is based on the fundamental principle of steam. We call that RoboKits, a wonder box for young innovators like the ones you have. Come, join the club.